Here is the Toyota Highlander. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. In front of the vehicle, right on top of the Toyota emblem, is the secondary release lever. Right over there. Put two fingers over there and then push it up. While it's pushed up, lift up the hood and grab the prop rod from there and put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it. And let it go. Now the hood is secure. Let's start with the passenger side. That is the bulb right over there. The way to access it is behind it, but for that we have to take this plastic panel off first. There are two clips which are holding it in place. One over here, just press the center part down. Second one over here, and again press the center part down, and now you should be able to get this cover out of there. You may have to push down a little bit more over here, but yeah, it comes out. That's the bulb there. The way to access it is right there behind it. That's the bulb holder. Right now it's locked. Twist it left a little bit to unlock it, and now it's unlocked. At this point you'll be able to get the bulb holder out of the light and then get it out all the way like this. Now just grab the bulb and then pull it out straight to get it out of the bulb holder. The bulb size is 194. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Let's go ahead, get the new bulb, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. Let's get it back in the light. Make sure it's sitting flush and then twist your right to lock it. You'll be able to get a better view on the driver's side of this part. Now get these two clips out of this plastic panel. And once you get them out, this is what you do. You first get the plastic panel back in place. Make sure it's sitting properly. Good. Now push the middle part of this clip out. Once it's out, then you'll be able to put it back in over there. Same thing with the other clip. Just push the middle part out, and only then will you be able to get it back in place. Now simply push the center part of both the clips down to secure them, and we're done. Same process on the driver's side. No differences whatsoever. Just press down over here and then press down over there, and now you should be able to get this plastic panel out. Same bulb holder, same way to access it, no differences whatsoever. Same process as the passenger side. That's the bulb, that's the bulb holder. Just twist it left and out it comes. Same bulb, 194. Let's just go ahead and put it back in, and over here you can clearly see what I was talking about when I say that you have to do some twisting and turning before the bulb holder sits in flush. See, right now it's sticking out, it's not sitting in properly. So do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. Good. At this point just twist your right to lock it, just a little bit, and then you'll be done. And that's good. And let's get this plastic panel back in. Same thing when you put the clips back on. Make sure the middle part of the clip is pulled out first. Put it back in and then push the center part down to secure it. To close the hood, first push on the hood, get load off the prop rod and get it out of that slot. Put it back in its place. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.